Hi guys, even if you are living under the rock, by now you should know that the cryptocurrency market is currently crashing massively. Not just the cryptocurrency market, even the stock market is crashing massively, and I'm here to tell you why that is happening and what you should expect as a trader and also as a citizen of the world, because it's going to affect you one way or the other, whether you are a trader or you are not a trader. But before then, I want to let you know that I've predicted that the market will probably crash from since last month. I've made an update about it in my Telegram group, where I said that if market should crash to 50k, I'm going to buy 2 pieces of Bitcoin, meaning I've seen it on the chart that probably this there's possibility that the market will crash. That time, none of your analysts, none of your favorites, whatever, saw what I saw, right? Everybody was saying that Bitcoin is going to 100k, Bitcoin is going to 150k. I'm the only one that was seeing something different. Why? How did I know that I'm the only one? Because almost all my friends, all the other technical analysts I know, they were against me. But now, here we are. But let me just go straight to the point and tell you why the crash happened. As of that time, all I see is a technical aspect on the chart. It's just the technical that showed me that market will crash. So I was patiently waiting for a fundamental that would trigger that thing on the chart towards crash the market. And now, here we are. The reason why the market is currently crashing is because of the data that came out. The non-farm payroll data is the data that used to show the number of employed people in the United States every month. And this data came out lower than expected, meaning the number of employed people last month is lesser than the previous month. Let me explain. You know how everybody in Nigeria used to complain of there's no job, no job, no job, no job. And then people are flying away to the United States, to the UK and the rest. Even the US now, they are facing no job, right? Meaning even the people in the US are finding it hard to get jobs, meaning not just our economy that is bad, even the economy is getting bad. Is that fear that trigger people to start selling their digital assets to keep cash because there is a fear of recession? Whenever an economy or a country is not doing well, people normally, the citizens, will be scared. And why is it that just because it's affecting the US, it's affecting everybody? As it's affecting US, it will affect the economy, meaning, and as you all know, we other countries, especially we Nigerians and most African countries, we follow our currency is paired with the dollar, meaning anything that is happening to the US will affect us one way or the other, directly or indirectly. And now the fear of recession is what caused a lot of people to start selling their stocks, selling their cryptos, and that's the fundamental that trigger what is currently happening to the market. That is just it. Okay, the fear of recession and the non-farm payroll data that came out lower than what expected, meaning it's bad for the US economy. The data actually came out to be 1,117k people that was employed in the United States. Can you imagine? That is very, very bad. Plus, it's lower than what in the previous months. Now, let me go back to giving you guys an update on what I said, that if Bitcoin should come down to 50k, I'm going to buy 2 pieces. Now Bitcoin is down to 50k and I've bought my 2 pieces of BTC. Does that mean Bitcoin is not going to continue crashing? It will continue crashing, probably to around 40k zones. But me knowing that, why did I still buy it? Because I do not care. I'm buying Bitcoin as a store of value. Once I see a good price, a discount price, I buy. I've been buying Bitcoin since when Bitcoin was around $18,000. That's when I've been buying BTC, and I'm in massive profits currently. Okay, but I'm not selling it, not now, not tomorrow, not next year, not next 5 years, not next 10 years. I'm buying it for the future. I'm buying it probably for my children and my great grandchildren, because there'll be a time that in fact nobody will be calculating Bitcoin based on 1 Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoin. Bitcoin will be calculated based on Satoshi, 0.0000 something Satoshi. And when they tell you that Satoshi is like the kobo of Naira, or let's say the cent of dollar, the coins, they are like the small denomination of that currency. That is what Satoshi. And as of that time, when you want to buy probably, let's say, a car, they will tell you that it's 0. something Satoshi. That's how big Bitcoin is going to become. I'm not exaggerating. As usual, I'll always say something that your brain cannot comprehend. So it's up to you to adjust, to adapt, to learn, to open your eyes, to stay woke, right? If you're interested in joining my Telegram group, click the link in my bio. I used to drop market updates all the time there, just like this prediction that I dropped since last month, that if Bitcoin come down to 50K, I'm going to buy. I dropped this in my Telegram group. In the group, I used to drop market update, just like I said, and also free signals sometimes. So you guys should be safe out there. Thank you.